Welcome. If you want to add events to calendar in your XIAOMI Black Shark 3, for the first open your calendar. And right now you have to click right here 2 times, then we got it. Click here on the switcher, add the title, click here, and you can set up here other things. For example, you can add location, add the description or the notification, set the time zone. There's a lot of functions that you can set up. If you do, click save right here, and here's our event. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel.